I'm delighted today to announce a fund of €35 million over the next 2 years to fund investment and improvements and developments at our small piers and harbours right across the country. This will be funded through the Brexit Adjustment Reserve, and it will enable county councils who manage and operate the small piers and harbours, which we all value so much, to significantly improve them, to do repairs and indeed to do developments. It will particularly benefit our inshore fishermen and women who use these small piers and harbours and who depend on them. Also, it will see the small piers and harbours and our coastal resources opening up in a way that actually enables them to be used more for recreational and other economic activity as well, in addition to further supporting our fisheries sector. We have seen particular challenges in the last year from Brexit to our fisheries sector. The government are absolutely committed to working to invest in coastal communities and fisheries to respond to that and to develop and maximise the value and employment from fisheries over the time ahead. And this €35 million fund, which is a multiple of what normally would be spent, will see real differences made and real improvements in each county and in each coastal area right around the country. Thank you.